Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's all Jamin back again, and I have another really good one, and I'm guaranteeing probably that we're going to have an all-elite team. So I am going to be recreating my two-way lineup. As you can see, it's a 79 overall. I do have Blake Griffin because I pulled him in a pack, so that leaves one position less that we have to get. So I have 500,000 coins, and I don't know what I'm going to do with the rest. So first we're going to go to point guard in the two-way. Ready for about 50,000. Oh crap, I forgot to put in elite. Chris Paul, John Wall, Damian Lillard, Westbrook. See if there's any going for about 40,000. Okay, so about 45. So John Wall. Let's see which one's the least. 500. So about 500. Then we have John Wall. So at shooting guard, is there any for the same price? No. About 50,000. No? Nothing? Alright, so let's go about 50. Let's try 60,000. Fearful what I see. Okay, so we're going to get James Harden right here. We got 395,000 coins left. We're going to look at small forwards. No, not shooting guards. Actually, wait. I'm gonna go get a center first. A 50,000. Okay. So about 45,000 anywhere. Going once, going twice. 45,000. So on my side, Andre Drummond, DeAndre Jordan. Let's see who's going for the so far. DeAndre Jordan. So yeah, we get DeAndre Jordan here. Now we need a small forward. Okay, so we have 351,000 to spend. We can get this LeBron, but I think may have enough to cough up 88 overall LeBron James, I think. Okay, so is there LeBron for about maybe 130,000? No, none for the 130. 140. Two of them. So, LeBron James, welcome to the squad. We have 211,000 coins left. Highest overall. We have an 85 rated two-way team. Let's go, guys. Alright, then. Master. This is now my go-to lineup. Let's go. Okay, so okay. Think about trying to lead out my defensive lineup. No. 211,000 coins. Should I save it or don't know. I'm just gonna go see how much elite defensive players are. Surprise, no. Elite lineups, defensive position, Need a shooting guard first. Okie doke. 120,000. Gosh. Is there any going for about 70,000? One Jimmy Butler. Jimmy Butler's your father. Okie doke. Now we need a small forward. They're gonna be a little bit cheaper, so let's go 55,000. Oh, no, that's 550,000. Let's look at 49. Dang, these things go for pretty cheap. 46,999. Look at like 46,999. Okay, with 94,000, we just need a power forward. Okay, so up for around 55,000. Hmm. 49,000. 48,000 Blake Griffin. 48,000 Blake Griffin. I'm 94,000, so. Draymond or Anthony Davis? Screw it, let's go Anthony Davis. I have 39,000 coins left. 5 rated defensive lineup. Let's go. Now what can I buy for 39,000? We're gonna spend the rest on packs, maybe like 2 or 3, I don't know. So that was fun. I'm going to do a maybe like a head-to-head thing. Oh, double golds, eh? So one more after this, and that will conclude it. Can the last one give us anything? Nope. 6 gold players, okay. Okay, guys, so that was probably my best video I've done in a long time, except for the one yesterday. So you guys haven't checked that out, go ahead and go do it. That will really help me out. Go. Maybe gold. Don't like it, or gold. So, I think I can do the. Yes, I can. So we're gonna walk out of here with a quick sell pack, and then after this, I'm going to do a head-to-head. Okay, so I am now an 84 overall franchise team. So let's go over to here. Who should we play? G. Rylan, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sebastian Kodum, Kenmula, Much Too Money, Ike, Majiko, Orlando Neto, Modwaj, Omar. Face Omar. God, this two-way lineup is so boss. Okay, so John Wall compared to Kyrie. Yeah. Alright, let's play. This has been fun. I like this video. So you guys go ahead and drop a like for this video if you liked it. I know I liked it. Hold on, let me move this up here. Thank you. Yeah. Ooh, the ankles. John Wall for ya. Harden on Harden. Kyrie. Oh crap! I got knocked off. Alright, let's go ahead and give it to Harden. Bron. Ooh. Okay. So. How do you miss the rebound? Like it went right in front of your face and you dropped it. 3 John Wall. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get a score for LeBron before I can go anywhere. Griffin on Griffin. Oh. Hey.
What's he doing?
Making a video. Why?
Huh?
Making a video.
Making a video?
Yes.
Did I interrupt you?
Yes.
Oh well, that's what Mom made me do.
Yeah.
Who slept there?
Nobody.
Yeah, where's your sister?
I have no clue.
Oh, I need to pick that up.
And sorry about that, guys. It was really mean. Anyway, sorry about that, guys. So I might try to cut that out, but it's right in the middle of the best gameplay. So, oh, James with a 3. That one sucked. Oh, how's that not a travel? Travel. Crap. 3. Oh, man. Well, they beat me by 1, so we're gonna do another one, this time with the defensive lineup. So, drop a like on this video if you guys enjoyed this. And, I don't know, I don't think you can sell that 85 win, so. Let's go here. That one, no. Okay. Embiid has been here for a while. I just got rid of Lillard. I just got rid of Wall to get Lillard. Dang it, Giannis. Lillard. Let's go Butler. I used to have him. Oh, come on. Oh, man. It's one of my guys in 3s today. Oh, it's out of bounds on them, those suckers. Sorry about that, guys. Crap. Okay, guys, well, I'm gonna have to cut this video short. Sorry about that. So, if you guys enjoyed this, drop a like, and subscribe, and, watch me get rejected right there. And, yeah, I think that will do it for today, guys. Peace out.